Hello there, I'm here with a new problem that beginners might have faced a lot. So if you are new in 3ds Max and trying to learn this software since a few days, you may have encountered this problem. So sometimes we create an object and then we sometimes accidentally zoom out a lot and pan somewhere else, and it becomes difficult to find it out where it has gone. Now, no matter how much I zoom out, it's really difficult to find out. So there are a couple of solutions for that. The first one is, whenever you face such a situation, try to change your mode. So right now I'm in perspective mode. I will switch to any mode is available, so like a front mode, and you will see this is available. Now remember, if you switch back to the perspective, you will get to your standard mode where you can actually see the object in the center. So that actually resets all the zoom that you have done. So let me know if these tips has helped you, and if you want to get this same kind of tips and tricks about the 3ds Max or any 3D software, I'm going to help you in the coming videos. So stay tuned, and thank you very much for watching this video.